How to recover deleted contacts on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, all you want to go ahead and do is go over to your settings application. From here, the very first thing you're going to see is your iCloud settings with your name. So go ahead and click on that. Then scroll down until you see iCloud. So click on that as well. Now, you want to go to saved to iCloud. So go ahead and press that. Then when you scroll down, you want to see contacts. So you want to make sure that this is enabled. It's going to say existing low contacts. What would you like to do with existing low contacts on your iPhone? Now you can merge it, and that's what you should be doing. Over here then, basically whenever you go to your iCloud, you should see all of your contacts if they weren't previously linked. Now the next thing you can do is go over to your browser of choice. Now once you're here, all you got to type in is Google Contacts, and this is useful. Let's say your iCloud is linked to a Google account. Your Google Contacts might actually be a place where your previously deleted contacts will be. So when you go ahead and click on that, you might see any of your contacts. And what I want to do, let's say I want to go ahead and click on one. If I press that and then I press the three little dots, I can export them to my phone's contacts, and you can do that with as many contacts as you want.